Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to another live webinar. It's 9:06 a.m. on May 1st here in Hamilton. So today I'm going to talk about AI marketing. We all know we've been hearing this word artificial intelligence since the last 2 years, and you might be thinking if I can use this, or even if you're using it today, are you using it in the right way? Are you using it in a way it is helping you rather than eating up your time? I know some people use AI for their blogs, content ideas, all sorts of other things. But today, I'm going to talk about how you can use AI in small businesses so that you can compete against big ones. So, without any ado, let's jump right in. So, you can see here, I found this article. Usually, I like to read every day. Every morning, I look out for new things. And this is what I really found today. It's from TechNode. TechNode is a website. They always write about marketing things. Now, I won't go deep into the details what's there on top, but what I really liked in this is how you can start using AI today, right? So you can see here AI is being used to automate the tedious tasks like customer FAQs, personalized correspondence, scheduling social media postings, right? And it also helps in reducing operational costs and increasing productivity. Now, things that we can do with AI, right? So first step is to look into the areas where you can use AI, right? Like content creation, social media management, customer support. And if you think you don't really know where to start, don't worry. I'm going to tell you where to start. And now you have to pick your tools. I use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is my go-to AI, but you can use Claude, Perplexity, Grok, Copilot, anything that's out there. But I really like ChatGPT in a way that it's the first one and has lots of funds to back it up. Now, the first and foremost thing is chatbots, right? You have a beautiful website and you don't even know who is actually on your website, right? There's very less people who track it. And there are multiple reasons for it. I don't really blame it on anyone, but you could be busy, you don't know how to see that. The person who built your website did not tell you that you can do that. But that's gone. Now you can use chatbots, and these chatbots, they're conversational AIs. That means when somebody messages you, it understands the message and replies back in a way that the person feels like it's a real human that's chatting on the website. So there are many tools. ManyChat is one of those chatbot tools that easily integrate into your website, or sometimes social media as well, right? On social media, if you see these days, a lot of people say comment prompt, comment funnel, comment something, leads, something, and then they put you in a lead nurturing sequence. You can do that as well. It's that easy. Next is AI powered email marketing. This is another thing I observe in small businesses. They do have clients, they do have prospects, they do have people whom they meet in networking events, trade shows, and business events, but they do not use email marketing. Email marketing, we all know, yes, I ignore. My inbox has 20,000 emails. You won't believe it. But still, I always read emails from the people I know. Absolutely. You send me mortgage email, you send me your photography email, you send me your um, estate law email. I will read it because I know you and maybe others. like your prospects, customers, and other business owners might be or might read your content if you send them. And if you don't send them, they'll never read. Right? It's just like, you don't shoot all the shots you don't take. So the same thing, email marketing, use AI for email marketing. And how we're doing it, AI will create emails. Obviously, you have to proofread. AI will track open rates. If somebody replies, it will reply back. And if there's a positive reply, it responds positively. Negative reply, responds again, trying to understand the situation. And all of this can be configured. Social media management, very, very important. I see a lot of my friends on LinkedIn trying to post every day. 7 a.m., boom, I see the post. 8 a.m., I see the post. Some people even post 3 times. And myself, I post 2 times, right? We're all using social media. Social media is not new. But the biggest challenge is being consistent. And how do we stay consistent on social media? Using AI. AI will help schedule the post, will do the audience engagement. And now in the previous example I told where somebody comments on your post saying that okay, lead or something, AI can trigger a drip campaign. So use AI for social media management, content creation and curation, right? Copy.ai, my favorite, Jasper, another favorite. These tools will help you write blogs. I've used them personally and they're really, really fantastic. They write blogs like a copywriter. Of course, you have to proofread. Remember that. I'm not saying that you just copy paste whatever the content AI gives you. Proofread it, modify it, change it so that people feel it's human, right? But still, you can use these tools to get started, right? Sometimes we get stuck. We're not really writers here. My profession is marketing. I'm a nerd. I'm a tech guy. But I was never a writer. But these tools definitely help you with writing some great content. Predictive analytics. That's a big word. Sounds like rocket science, but no. Predictive analytics is just analytics, right? You send an email, who opened it? You send an email, who replied to it? Your social media post, how much engagement is there? You send emails, how many people actually engage with that email? Right? We get a lot of stats, data from our campaigns, and AI is very useful in analyzing that data and giving the best recommendations. So I really like that part of AI that's more powerful because you throw an Excel sheet of data to it and ask it to make sense out of that. Tell me what it is. Tell me what should I look for. What does this data, is talking about, so that I understand and I make very informed decisions. So AI is the best thing to do that. Now, there's some FAQs here. Which AI tools? ChatGPT for content, MailChimp for email campaigns. I use ManyChat for chatbots and Canvas magic design for visuals. And another thing I really like is this was the easiest way to begin. Start using AI. Ask AI. Ask the same question. Hey, I want to run an offer. I have a new lead magnet. I have a new webinar. How do I market this? And AI will give you some suggestions, and then you take those suggestions, use your original intelligence, the OI, to decide if that makes sense to you or not, and then go ahead and execute it. So that's it for me, guys. So if you're not using AI for your marketing today, you're losing out on a lot. So don't wait, use it today, and let me know how it goes. And if you need any help with any of the things I told you today, you know where to find me. I'm just a message away. Thank you. Bye. All right, bye. Take care. Have a good day, guys.